How's it going, everybody? We are picking fruits out of our garden here. We have tons of various berries and plums, peaches, apples, things like that. Some of them are starting to ripen now. Oh, look, we have little bees pollinating here, but Christina's picking. What are you picking up there? You got blackberries, blueberries. How cute that is, yep. And we have about a bazillion plums through there that are all over the place. That tree is covered with at least 500 of them, and some of them are already ripe and falling all over the ground. But yeah, see, these are blueberries that are ripening. This whole area is covered in blueberries. Just covered. And it's a peach tree right up there. Got banana trees that pretty much never produce anything, but whatever. So she is tight roping the wall up there to find more berries. They start ripening little by little. But anyway, the purpose of this video is a new gadget we just got, because we have a fan here that is rather loud even on its lowest setting. So we found this little gadget. It's basically you plug this into your power outlet, and then you plug the device into the bottom of it, and you can control its speed little by little. So we turn her on. In normal use, it would sound like that, wide open. That's on its lowest setting in normal use. So that's at wide open, basically that's at what level 1 is on this fan here. But if you turn this down, you can turn it down a little bit, and it's not so darn loud, and it won't blow you away. Works way better. So I'll put a link down below for this little guy. Very easy to install, and you can use it for all kinds of different things. But yeah, it gets a little warm out here, even though we've got umbrellas and covering and whatnot. So it's nice to have a little fan moving the air around a little bit. Anyway, but yeah, this is her giant backyard with all kinds of fruits and roses and just stuff everywhere. Lemongrass down there. Water barrel down there at the end there. So we use water, to plant, water some of the plants. Monkey grass. All that ivy or all that orchard is nothing but muscadines and scuppernongs. Those don't produce until the end of the summer. Various roses and things. I mean, it's just, this whole yard is covered in produce and things, so it's pretty awesome. We have to give away most of it. We tell the neighbors just to come get it, because there's so much you can't even possibly use it all. Anyway, that's it. Check out other videos, but pretty awesome how this fan thing works. Check out our other videos. We got all kinds of how-to stuff around the house, and always posting more stuff, so check it out. Biker Dave and Christina signing off here. Y'all have a great day. We are going to chill out right here.